Welcome to Session 1 of SAT Math 2026. Today is not about memorizing formulas yet. It is about understanding the digital test, choosing smart strategies, and building the habits that will carry the rest of the course. The digital SAT Math section has 2 modules. Each module has 35 minutes and 22 questions. That means 44 questions in 70 minutes. Module 2 is adaptive, so your Module 1 performance influences the difficulty and score ceiling of the second module. There is no negative marking, so never leave a question blank. If you are stuck, eliminate what you can, make your best provisional answer, flag it, and keep moving. The course is organized around the 4 SAT math domains. Algebra and advanced math are the 2 biggest areas, together carrying about 70% of the section. Data analysis, geometry, and trigonometry are smaller, but still important because they can be efficient points. Each module averages about 95 seconds per question, but that is an average, not a rule. Some direct questions should take less than half a minute. Harder modeling or geometry questions may need more time. Use a 2-pass method. On the first pass, take the questions with a clear path. If there is no meaningful progress after about 60 to 75 seconds, flag it. Choose a provisional answer and protect time for the questions you can solve. The built-in Desmos calculator is available on every math question, but you do not have to use it every time. The best tool is the one that gets a reliable answer with the least setup. For example, 3x plus 5 equals 20 is faster by algebra. Subtract 5 to get 3x equals 15, then divide by 3. The answer is x equals 5. Graphing would work, but it adds time here. A good SAT practice session includes a short attempt before the solution. Try this diagnostic question. A $60 item is discounted by 25%. What is the sale price? Mark your confidence as high, medium, or low. The discount is 25% of $60, which is $15. The question asks for the sale price, so subtract the discount from the original price. 60 minus 15 is $45. Here is your action plan from Session 1. Know the 2-module format, use 2 passes to protect your time, choose your tool on purpose, and keep an error log. Do not write careless mistake as the whole diagnosis. Name the exact step that failed, then write the corrected rule.